Okay guys, I'm back. Today we're going to be decorating my new MacBook. Like I said, my old MacBook was messed up. The keyboard was messed up, so we had to upgrade to a new one. I think this is the MacBook Air M2, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And we're just going to be decorating it, so let's get into it. So I want to do something like this, not too crazy. So I'm going to look on Pinterest for some designs. Okay guys, here's some ideas. I'm thinking of doing this one. This one looks really good. I'm thinking of doing that. I might choose another one too, but yeah. Okay, so I'm just like adding it onto a slide and then we'll go from there. Okay, that's it. Like I said, I didn't want to do too much, so let's see if we can print this out. Okay guys, I was worried it wasn't going to print in color, but it does. So the question is, how are we going to do this? Right now, I'm just going to cut it out. Don't mind my scissors. Okay, this is what I'm going for. Now we just need to find out how to keep it together. Okay guys, I'm just using tape. We gotta work with what we got. We're on the last one. Okay guys, this is how it looks. I did my best with the stuff I had, and yeah, anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.